Welcome to our roundup of the best 3D printer options for creators, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Whether you're building prototypes, crafting detailed models, or exploring creative projects, a reliable 3D printer can completely transform the way you bring ideas to life. In this video, we've selected some of the most impressive 3D printers available right now, each offering a unique balance of performance, reliability, and value. We'll break down the important details like print speed, build volume, automation features, connectivity, and overall usability, so you can choose the model that best fits your workflow. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest deals and product links. Now, let's dive in and find the perfect 3D printer for your workspace. The first on the list is the original Prusa Core 1. The original Prusa Core 1 is built for serious makers who want professional-grade results and consistent reliability. This machine stands out with Core XY motion system, fully enclosed print chamber, and high-precision printing, allowing users to create detailed models with impressive accuracy. The Core XY design reduces moving mass and improves speed while maintaining stability, making it ideal for both complex prototypes and everyday prints. Another advantage of this printer is its enclosed build environment. The enclosed chamber helps maintain a stable temperature, which is especially important when printing advanced materials such as ABS or other engineering-grade filaments. With a generous build volume and excellent layer consistency, the Core 1 is capable of producing large prints while maintaining impressive detail and structural strength. Overall, the original Prusa Core 1 is an outstanding option for users who want precision, durability, and long-term reliability in a powerful Core XY 3D printer platform. Next up is the Bamboo Lab P1S Combo. The Bamboo Lab P1S is designed for speed, automation, and modern smart printing. It introduces ultra-fast printing speed, automatic material system support, and fully enclosed design, making it a highly capable machine for both beginners and advanced creators. Thanks to its advanced motion system and optimized firmware, this printer can produce models dramatically faster than traditional desktop printers, while still maintaining impressive accuracy. One of the most exciting features is compatibility with the automatic material system. This system allows the printer to handle multiple filaments at once, enabling multicolor prints and automatic material switching without manual intervention. For creators who enjoy complex designs or color-rich models, this capability dramatically expands creative possibilities. The enclosed chamber also helps stabilize internal temperatures, improving print reliability when working with materials like ABS or other temperature-sensitive filaments. Combined with advanced vibration compensation and automatic calibration, the P1S delivers consistent results with minimal setup. Another advantage is its smart connectivity features. The printer integrates easily with modern slicing software and cloud-based monitoring tools. Users can start prints remotely, monitor progress through cameras, and receive alerts if something goes wrong. This level of automation makes the printing process much more convenient. Overall, the Bamboo Lab P1S offers an incredible balance of speed, intelligence, and reliability for creators who want modern 3D printing technology without complicated setup. Next, we have the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro focuses on user-friendly operation while still delivering powerful performance. It stands out with high-speed Core XY printing, quick-swap nozzle system, and fully enclosed structure, making it a versatile printer suitable for both beginners and experienced makers. Thanks to its Core XY motion architecture, the printer achieves extremely fast movement while keeping vibrations low. This allows the machine to produce high-quality prints at impressive speeds, reducing overall production time for larger projects or batch printing. Another highlight is its quick-swap nozzle design. Users can easily change nozzle sizes without complicated tools or lengthy procedures. This flexibility allows creators to switch between fine detail printing and faster, larger prints depending on the project requirements. The enclosed build chamber improves temperature stability, which leads to better layer adhesion and stronger final models. Combined with its efficient cooling system and advanced motion control, the Adventurer 5M Pro maintains consistent results across different materials and model types. Overall, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro is an excellent option for creators who want fast printing speeds, simple operation, and dependable performance in a compact enclosed machine. Next, we have the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon is designed for makers who want strong performance combined with modern hardware upgrades. Its carbon-reinforced frame helps improve structural rigidity, reducing vibrations during high-speed movement. This added stability allows the printer to maintain better accuracy even when operating at faster speeds. As a result, users can produce detailed prints quickly without sacrificing quality. Another advantage is the generous build area, which provides enough space for larger models or multiple prints at once. This makes the Centauri Carbon particularly useful for hobbyists, engineers, and creators working on bigger projects that require extended print dimensions. Performance improvements also come from the advanced motion system and improved extrusion hardware. These upgrades help ensure smoother filament flow, consistent layer bonding, and more reliable results across different materials. Whether printing PLA, PETG, or other common filaments, the printer handles them confidently. Overall, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon delivers strong performance, impressive build capacity, and reliable structural design, making it a capable printer for creators who want power and flexibility. The last one on our list is the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is one of the most accessible and beginner-friendly 3D printers available today. It features automatic bed leveling system, direct drive extruder, and fast setup design, making it an excellent entry point for users who are new to 3D printing. One of the most convenient features is the automatic leveling system. Instead of manually adjusting the build plate, the printer handles calibration automatically, ensuring the nozzle remains at the correct distance from the print surface. This greatly improves first layer consistency and reduces common beginner mistakes. The direct drive extruder improves filament control and allows the printer to handle flexible materials more effectively than traditional Bowden-style systems. This means users can experiment with a wider range of filament types without worrying about feeding issues. Another benefit is the simplified setup process. The Ender 3 V3 SE arrives mostly pre-assembled, allowing users to start printing quickly after minimal assembly. Its intuitive interface and straightforward controls make it easy for beginners to learn the basics of slicing, calibration, and printing. Overall, the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is a fantastic starting point for beginners who want an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use 3D printer that still offers strong performance. So that's it for the best 3D printers you can get right now. If this video helped you choose the right printer, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech roundups and buying guides. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.